Hi, today I'll show you how to wipe cache on your Motorola Moto G5S. First of all, let's power off our phone. Then press and hold volume down button and the power key. Now use volume buttons to choose recovery mode and press the power key. Now we need to hold the power button and press volume up button. Now by using the volume buttons, choose wipe cache partition and press on power button. Yes, power button. And now let's choose reboot system now and press again the power button. That's all, you just swiped your cache. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel and see you next time.